In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block gambling sites using Google Chrome, which is a great way to stay on task and keep distractions at bay. First, let's make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. It's important to use a trusted browser like Chrome since it offers a variety of extensions and tools to help manage your online activities effectively. Once you're ready in Chrome, you'll want to head over to the Chrome Web Store. This digital store is where you'll find all sorts of extensions that can enhance your browsing experience. Think of it as the App Store for your web browser. Now, in the search box at the top of the store, type BlockSite. Press Enter to initiate the search. You'll see a list of related extensions, but what you're looking for is a reputable choice, such as BlockSite. Extensions like these help in filtering out and blocking access to specific sites, making them incredibly useful for creating a distraction-free environment. When you find one that seems reliable, click on the option that says Add to Chrome. This initiates a process to add the extension to your browser. A pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation. You'll want to click Add Extension to proceed. This pop-up is Chrome's way of ensuring you actually want to install this tool, as extensions have the potential to modify your browsing experience. After adding the extension, you'll notice a new icon at the top right corner of the Chrome window. This represents the BlockSite extension. Click this icon to open the extension settings. Here, you can set preferences and manage which sites you'd like to block. Look for the section labeled as Block Sites or Add Site. This is where you'll input the details of the sites you want to restrict access to. Type the URL of the gambling site you wish to block. For example, you might type something like www.examplegambling.com. After entering the URL, just click Add. It's as simple as that. This feature is particularly helpful if you're trying to avoid specific websites that might impact your productivity, or if you simply want to ensure a more focused browsing experience. You can repeat this process for any additional sites you'd like to block. Just go back to the Add Site section and enter another URL, clicking Add each time. It's a quick and easy way to customize your browsing habits. Once you've added all the sites you wish to block, those websites will become inaccessible in Chrome. You'll find that when attempting to visit a blocked site, the extension will prevent access, helping you maintain focus and avoid distractions. I hope you find this method simple and effective for your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips like this.